Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Monday, July 24th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, we've had this nice, it was an easy play where from the highs, we got this bear cross. It was easy to play. We played the bounce on the TCG bull cross, played it on the bear cross, down here, down here, played a bull cross, played the bear cross, played the bull cross again. And once it failed to break to a lower low on the daily, I knew that the pattern wouldn't work anymore, which has been the case. So we did break to a higher high from this recent bounce here. At 47.32, we got all the way up to 47.74. We did have a bearish reversal candle here and fall through the next day here, even though it broke to a higher high. And this line, people may ask what that is it lines up with the last high here. And what I wanted to see is once it got above this line, was it close above the line, unable to close above that line, still rejecting with the upper wick. We are back testing the 20 MA, and we'll see if that holds as the higher low from here. So we're setting higher lows now. We had this low here at 42.05, then we had this low here at 43.65, and now we have a new low so far at 45.40. So we'll see if the back test of the 20 MA holds. Last time the scenario played out on a back test, we did hold here, but we had a little bounce and then had further downside. So for me, I said I don't have a position in oil yet, and that's still the case. I don't see a clear trend here yet. For me, I do like to swing commodities, and that's why I don't have an entry here yet. I was looking for a short entry on hourly bounce, but this hourly bounce has been stronger than expected. And what I mean by that is when I was looking for a short here, because that equilibrium pattern, I was looking for a lower high. Once that lower high was formed, once we set this, once on this bounce play here, we set a lower high. Let me explain this to you. Sorry, to make more sense. Let me go back to the daily. So I thought we'd be in an equilibrium pattern where we have this low, we have this bounce high, which is way lower than the recent high here of that bounce. Then we formed a higher low, which we hadn't had on these pullbacks, and that was the first time in a while we set a higher low. And I was expecting a lower high, but we got a higher high here, but still showing some weakness. And so this hourly, what I was watching for on this weakness was to look for a short play on oil, but the hourly RSI was obviously way too oversold for me to enter there, and I was looking for a cool off. Obviously didn't follow it on Sunday. Today we did get a cool off here, but this hourly bounce is holding up pretty nicely. And on this bounce, we don't have much pullback. What we have is some consolidation sideways. So we have this bounce here. And we're consolidating sideways. We have a range here with a high here of 46.48 that we need to watch as support, and I'm going to watch this, as resistance, and the support here at the low of 45.91. So what I may do is, for a quick trade, depending on how this forms overnight, is look for this resistance of 46.48 if oil bulls are able to break that 46.48 for a long play, and looking for a short play and a short entry still if the bears are able to break below 45.91, the recent consolidation low on the hourly chart. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.